Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating and backing up because software fixes often solve sensor glitches. Once done, visually inspect the notch and front glass for debris or damage. Dirt obstructs IR emitters. Make sure you power cycle the phone and toggle Face ID settings to rule out a misconfigured profile. If Face ID remains unavailable, check for recent drops or screen replacements. Those change sensor alignment. These first steps isolate software from obvious physical causes, so you know what to try next. Next, run diagnostics because the device logs hardware faults. Read error codes to guide you. If logs point to software, reset Face ID, and if needed, reset all settings. Make a DFU restore only after backup. This reinstalls iOS cleanly and rules out deep software corruption. If diagnostics show sensor faults, inspect the front camera assembly. Test visible camera image and watch for IR dot projector output under a dark scene. These steps reveal whether you need a hardware repair or further software work. Finally, if hardware is confirmed, arrange replacement of the Truedepth module. Prefer Apple or an authorized shop because Face ID requires calibrated components. When replacing, reassemble carefully, avoid crushing flex cables, and test Face ID across light conditions to confirm IR projector and flood illuminator function. If problems persist after a quality repair, request professional calibration or part traceability. Mismatched parts commonly break Face ID. One troubleshooting tip: a working front camera image with no IR dots almost always points to a damaged dot projector or missing calibration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.